ஓகே, குட் மார்னிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டியது என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லெசன் 3, அதாவது யூனிட் 7 ஜெனட்டிக்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதில் குரோமோசோமல் பேசிஸ் ஆஃப் இன்ஹெரிட்டன்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடியது. ஸோ இதில் historical development of chromosome theory. What are the historical developments are there? The important cytological findings related to the chromosome theory of inheritance are given below. Wilhelm Rex postulated that the chromosomes of a cell are responsible for transferring heredity. Montgomery was first to suggest occurrence of distinct pairs of chromosomes and also concluded that maternal chromosomes pair with the paternal chromosomes only during meiosis. In T. Boveri supported the idea that the chromosomes contain genetic determinants and he was largely responsible for developing the chromosomal theory of inheritance. W. S. Sutton, a young American student, independently recognized a parallelism between the behavior of chromosomes and Mendelian factor during gamete formation. And Sutton and Boveri 1903 independently proposed the chromosome theory of inheritance. Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with Mendelian principles and called it as chromosomal theory of inheritance. Then, what are the salient features of chromosomal theory of inheritance? Somatic cells of organisms are derived from the zygote by repeated cell division, that is mitosis. These consist of two identical sets of chromosomes. One set is received from female parent, maternal, and other from male parent, paternal. These two chromosomes constitute the homologous pair. Chromosomes retain their structural uniqueness and individually throughout the life cycle of an organism. Each chromosome carries specific determinants or Mendelian factors which are now termed as genes. The behavior of chromosomes during the gamete formation meiosis provides evidence to the fact that genes or factors are located on chromosomes. Comparison between gene and chromosome behavior. Around 20th century cytologists established that generally the total number of chromosomes is constant in all cells of the species. A diploid eukaryotic cells has two haploid sets of chromosomes, one set from each parent. All somatic cells of an organism carry the same gamete complement. The behavior of chromosome during meiosis not only explains the Mendelian's principle but leads to a new and different approaches to study about the heredity. Here, some of the comparison between the Mendelian factors and the chromosomal behavior. Alleles of a factor occur in pairs, chromosomes occurs in pairs. Similar or dissimilar alleles of a factor separate during the gamete formation. The homologous chromosomes separate during meiosis. Mendelian factors can assert independently. The paired chromosomes can separate independently during meiosis, but the linked genes in the same chromosome normally do not assert independently. Parallelism between Mendelian factors and chromosomal behavior. Organism number of chromosomes. Here, adder's trunk for an opioclasm, 1262 chromosomes diploid in nature. Horsetail ecosystem 216. The giant sequoia 22. The Arabidopsis 10 and sugarcane 80. Apple 34. Rice 24. Then potato 48. Maize 20 and onion 16 and Hoplophagus crassularis 4. Then linkage. The genes which determine the character of an individual are carried by the chromosomes. The genes for different characters may be present either in the same chromosome or in the different chromosome. When the genes are present in different chromosomes, they assert independently according to Mendel's law of independent assessment. Biologists came across certain genetic characteristics that did not assert out independently in other organisms after Mendel's work. One such case was reported in sweet pea. Lythras odorated by William Batson and Reginald Punnett. In 1906, they crossed one homologous strain of sweet peas having purple flowers and long pollen grains with another homologous strain having red flowers and round pollen grains. All the F1 progenies had purple color and long pollen grains indicating purple flower. Long pollen, capital P, capital L, was dominant over red flower and round pollen, small p, small l. When they crossed with the F1 with the double recessive plant, test cross in results. F2 progenies does not exhibit in 1:1:1:1 ratio are expected with the independent assessment. A greater number of F2 plants had purple flowers and long pollen or red flowers and round pollen. So they conclude that genes for purple color and long pollen grain and the genes for red color and round pollen grain were found close together in the same homologous pair or chromosome. These genes do not allow themselves to be separated, so they do not assert independently. This type of tendency of genes to stay together during separation of chromosome is called linkage. Here, genes located close together on the same chromosome and integrated together are called linked genes. பக்கத்தில் அஞ்சு இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்னா பிணைந்த ஜீன்கள் ஆர் linked genes. But the two genes that are sufficiently far apart from the same chromosomes are called unlinked genes. ரொம்ப தூரத்தில் அமைஞ்சு வந்துச்சுன்னா அது வந்து unlinked genes or syntenic genes. Such condition is known as synteny. It is to be differentiated by the value of recombinance frequency. If the recombination frequency value is more than 50%, the two genes are unlinked. When the recombinance frequency value is less than 50%, they show linked. Closely located genes show strong linkage, while genes widely located show weak linkages. Then coupling and repulsion theory. The two dominant alleles or recessive alleles occur in the same homologous chromosomes, tend to integrate together into the same gametes are called coupling or cis configuration. If dominant or recessive alleles are present of two different but homologous chromosomes, they inherit apart to the different gametes are called different gametes are mostly called it as there is a coupling and repulsion theories. Okay, here there is a capital B and small capital L, capital B, capital L. There is a purple flower and a long pollen, red flower and round pollen joined together and crossed, then produced the F1 generation. Purple flower and long pollen is there. Then it crossed with there is a red flower and round pollen. There is a recessive one. Then it expected there is 1:1:1 ratio is there, but it will give only 7:1:1:7. Then in a repulsion category, the same. That is again it will differ. There is a purple flower and round pollen and round flower and long pollen. This one allele is changed. Then these are joined together to form. There is purple flower and long pollen is produced in a F1 generation. Then the two alleles recessive character is crossed with this F1 generation. It will give the expected ratio of, it will not give the expected ratio of 1:1:1:1, but it will give the 1:7:7:1. That is, this comes under this repulsion theory or trans configuration. Okay, kinds of linkage. T.H. Morgan found two types of linkage. They are complete linkage and incomplete linkage, depending upon the absence or presence of new combination of linked genes. Presence and absence of new combination of linked genes. Complete linkage. If the chances of separation of two linked genes are not possible, those genes always remain together. As a result, only parental combination are observed. The linked genes are located very close together on the same chromosome. Such genes do not exhibit crossing over. This phenomenon is called complete linkage. It is rare but has been reported in male Drosophila. C.B. Bridges discovered that crossing over is completely absent in some species of male Drosophila. Incomplete linkage. If two linked genes are sufficiently apart, the chances of their separation are possible. As a result, parental and non-parental combination are observed. These linked genes exhibit some crossing over. This phenomenon is called incomplete linkage. This was observed in mice. It was reported by Hutchinson. Linkage group. The groups of linearly arranged linked genes of a chromosome are called linkage group. If any species, the number of linkage groups correspond to the number of diploid sets of chromosomes. Example. Some of the examples are the number of organisms, linkage group, Mucor, Drosophila, sweet pea, Neurospora and maize, that is 2, 4, 7, 7 and 10. Linkage and crossing over are two processes that have opposite effects. Linkage keeps particular genes together, but crossing over mixes them. Linkage keeps particular genes together, but crossing over mixes them. The differences are given below. Linkage and crossing over. The genes present in on chromosome stay close together. It leads to separation of linked genes. It involves